If you, or someone you know, are unable to visit the library or a mobile library, there are several ways you can continue to borrow library books and other items. You may have a friend or relative who can choose and collect items on your behalf. If so, they can arrange this with staff at any Essex library. There is no charge if any of your items aren't returned back on time. Another option is for one of our friendly Home Library Service volunteers to visit your home regularly, with a selection of the sort of books you really enjoy. Volunteers can bring you large print books if you need them. You can also choose audiobooks, DVDs or music, and there will be no hire charge for these. If you have access to the internet, you can download and read e-books or e-magazines, listen to e-audio, or use our online reference library. If you live in a care home, we can also organise this library service for you. Library volunteer visitors already visit many people in care homes. So, don't miss out. To arrange a library service at home, call us on 0345 603 7628, or a friend or relative can ask their local library on your behalf.